Welcome back, everybody. Today's episode, we're finally working on the Mustang. Got my nephew here, we got his father, and we're going to see if we can't get his car back together since he blew the head gaskets in it.
Having fun.
Kids. All right, Cam. Tell the world what you've done.
How I broke it?
Yeah.
I bought it knowing that the car was sitting for a little bit over a year at a dealership. They didn't do any work to it because they couldn't get anything. And my boss ended up buying it because he knew he could sell it, and he sold it to me. So after that full year of it sitting, it went to the hands of a 19-year-old, and I was just basically living life off limiter, burnouts, street racing, everything, and just cooked the head gaskets, but it's time to rebuild it and just restart.
That's what happens when you give a 19-year-old 500 horsepower and supercharger.
And then you forgot about the party pulley.
Oh yeah, I did put a party pulley on it. That definitely played a little bit of a role, but I think it was broke before that. I just heard it up all the way to the end.
Now, this is not a how-to video.
No.
We are uneducated on any of this. I have limited experience working with Ford 4.6s. I've never touched a 5.4, but it's the same setup.
Same thing, wider angle.
And later in the video, we do not have a cam lock tool. So whatever we do to get this cam locked out so we can get these chains off, and don't judge us. All right? That's all I'm saying.
It's going to work.
You heard it here. It's going to work.
It's going to work.
What we're doing here is we're just getting everything off the front so we can get to the timing cover. Cameron and his buddies a year ago already started tearing this apart. Then they got confused, didn't know what they were doing, so.
That's where I stopped.
Take that. Yeah. Like I said, we'll get that off so we can flop that off to the side.
It's going to be
10 millimeter. That's a 7/16. That was a thought. Where's the ratchet?
Right here.
Oh. Three or four?
Looks like 3.
Nope, need the socket, not the ratchet. There's a magnetic tray up here. The nice thing about recording this is at least if we get confused on what bolt goes where, we can just watch it back. Need another 10? Or is that an 8?
That looks like an 8. Let me try a 7. Ford's weird. No, that's an 8.
Guess we need a little ratchet. Little ratchet.
Never hurts to get a little ratchet. Yeah. I also need to get some new pulleys because these got some wiggle in them.
Was that one in the way?
No, I was saying I got to get new ones of these too because these already got play in them.
Oh, the idler pulley?
Yeah.
How many pulleys are on this thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
Starts off
12.
with 500 horsepower, logged down and belted out to 345.
4. 4.2.
A lot of driving accessories.
I'm cool with deleting AC.
You won't be cool after you delete AC.
Well, I'll be cool.
You'd be sweating.
My
You won't have
supercharger.
AC to cool you down.
My supercharger would be happy.
Maybe. Maybe not.
All right.
If it's anything like a Tesla, you need AC.
That should be.
It's just a hard line.
Yeah.
Why does it look like it's loose?
It looks like it's got a banjo bolt right here.
Oh.
So.
Or can we just flop it out of the way somewhere? Forward or anything? Or
Not really without bending it.
well, let's just disconnect it, I guess. I'll throw a pan under it, so try and catch all the power steering fluid. It's probably a 16 or an 18 wrench. Make a mess now. Making messes.
15.
Dude brought over the whole drawer.
Would it be easy?
Oh, that's gonna be
disconnecting
fun.
that hose right there and draining it that way.
Well, it's just getting that hard line off. The hard line's what's keeping us from flopping it forward.
Yeah.
It's
Oh, I
not,
see what you're saying. The metal line down
Yeah.
the road. I didn't see that.
pretty sure I told him either a 16 or an 18. And he walked over with a 15.
You never know.
Not good at math.
I'm not. I know I'm gonna send my hand into this head.
You gonna do it or just
I'm trying.
pretend?
No, I'm trying.
I mean, I know we're filming, but
Gonna run out of time. We're already 6 minutes deep.
fries are done. We're experiencing technical difficulties 5 minutes into the job.
Trying to see where it goes down to here. See if it's.
Goes down around the corner to your mom's house.
Well, after 9 minutes of working on this, I think we should go work on that. That's what we should be working on. Right there.
I tried. I'm out of gas. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
You think that would just be able to flop out of the way? Dum-dum. What did I do with the wrench?
Don't ask me, I'm just a cameraman.
Cameron man?
I'm the camera man. And that's Cameron.
You did make me.
Gross.
That tire brace.
Holy fuck. I mean, quack.
Black. Holy crap.
You think they thread locked it?
They something did.
That kind of looks like quacking. Teflon
Yeah,
tape up in
it's
there.
hard to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good thing I can edit most of it.
Yeah, that looks like Teflon tape in there. You should be able just to spin this thing, right?
Any day now.
You want this to drip down in there?
Might as well. If it hits the pan. Get this big dumb thing out of the way.
You get the green one to replace that?
How the hell is it going under?
Under the hose, because they shoved the hose over it.
Yeah.
Who's that, your buddy Hunter?
No, that would 100% be me whenever it got thrown on the trailer.
Hose ain't even connected to nothing.
Nope.
She's just chilling over here in the...
Pull it out.
She's out of the way.
What do we need for that tensioner? 15?
I need a 3/8.
The size that I don't have over here? No, I want the bolt out.
Answer 15.
15. Where's 15? All of my sockets are gone. So a little update. We tried taking the motor mount off over on this side to get this valve cover off because it's getting stuck on that brake booster. But we don't have a way of lifting the motor. There's nothing under there to really get a hold of without crushing the oil pan, and we don't want to do that. So Cameron's inside the car right now undoing the brake booster, and I'm finishing off taking the front plate off. Just a little update.
It is not fun down in here. Grab an extension.
There'll be another bolt in here somewhere. Way down there. What's not coming loose? Why can't you get it to come loose?
I mean, I don't have the nuts taken all the way off yet because I don't want to.
Grow a pair.
Yeah, that's what it is. I can say you very much.
It is it? Okay.
Ow, my knuckle.
Both of us.
What, did you bust yours too?
Yeah.
I got mine right off the water neck.
Mine got caught on the clutch pedal.
You guys at the same time.
2 rees and a tart over here.
So many different positions you got to get in.
I don't remember why I said open that door all the way up. You know how we got mine out of my Camaro? Justin took the seat out.
And the fender off.
And the fender was off. Oh no, we had the whole seat out. So we could lay down flat.
Actually,
there.
you know what?
Well, I've been in that position too.
Oh yeah.
That's what she said.
I don't know, you remember that position?
Feet up. Dude, how far in is this water pump? God. It's got a whole inch lip on it. Oh.
It wouldn't be so bad if these things weren't all within like a 4-inch radius of each other.
Whew. I can see your hairline. It's running away, just like the car.
They're going for the trees.
Day by day, he's getting closer to looking like you.
He's got more than me at this point.
What do I need for this tensioner?
Yeah, Shelby, they said it'd be fun. You having fun?
35 OBO. Somebody come get it.
I got news for you. The booster's finally starting to wiggle. Probably that out. Hey,
Trying.
Justin, I just got the thing.
That's dangerous.
So he's wearing the bow tie hat. Yep.
Hey, Shelby wanted to work with Chevy first. They just didn't take him in.
So why'd you buy Shelby? So you can work on it?
Yeah.
Instead of a Chevy. You can go back.
The Chevy marks its territory.
That's all right.
That's because it can go places to mark territory.
Wow.
You think we're going to need that booster all the way off or just room to play with it?
It's going to have to come all the way off so it can move operate the car.
Oh, God.
And then move over towards the fender.
Okay.
Well,
What's left of the fender?
What was a
what's the
fender?
Yeah.
Oh, God. You know, eventually, I'm going to stop wearing Vice Grip merch and start wearing my own merch.
Can't wait for that one.
Eventually. If people ever message me back.
Yeah, I messaged.
No, I mean people that I reach out to about making shirts and hoodies and hats, stickers, decals, beer koozies, whatever. Whatever I can get made.
You gotta get stickers made. That way we can put them on our car.
In toolboxes. I'm not much of a stickers on the car guy. I'll plaster them all over my garage, but I'm not one for putting them all over the cars. Man, as tight as that was in there, you'd have thought it had Loctite on it. My 18's out on the job site somewhere. It's definitely an 18. Dang it! Now I gotta find it.
Last time
I don't know what you're talking about. There's no evidence that ever existed. Why is there silicone all over it?
Why does that look like it's got silicone all over it?
Huh?
Your dampener bolt's got silicone all over it. Hey, you dropped something.
It was my will to live.
Did you what?
I said it was my will to live.
Oh.
It was halfway under the car.
Why is
Hey,
there
you
just...
commented on posts I haven't seen yet?
Why do you have silicone all around your crank? Ugh.
Oh.
Remember, you did say somebody's been in there before.
Yep. I'm not sure though. That makes no sense.
I wonder if this one will work, or if I gotta bust out the big set. I don't know.
I'm going back to reliable.
Is that the heat?
Probably.
Oh, it'll be on supercharged car, so I would think.
Looks like it'll work. Worth trying, right? Oh, should have found the size for that. I don't think it's an 18. I'm wrong. It's an 18. I need a shower.
Just trying to figure out what's... I'm gonna have to disconnect the pedal.
Like butter.
Please tell me you didn't just use no good doggone. No, I'm checking.
No, coming out's not the problem. It's going in. You gotta watch that part.
Yeah, it's keyed.
Yeah.
That's all broke free now. I think I'm gonna have to I have to disconnect the pedal real quick.
Nope.
Nope, that's enough.
Hopefully. And find something. Ah, it's farthest it's been. Almost. Alright, it's free from that, but I'm stuck on something else now. It's off.
Whew.
The thing that stopped me a year ago.
Hey, would you like the good news or the bad news?
Bad.
Okay.
Oh no.
Look at that cover.
Mhm.
And look at your alternator bolt and where those two lines are going into it. That's bolted to that timing cover. And then that AC that's bolted to that timing
Yeah,
cover.
you get to crawl under there and take them bolts out.
Okay.
So maybe we jack the front end of the car up, get it on jack stands, so there's room to get under it.
Yeah. Let me squeeze and
Well, we got the timing cover off finally. Want to talk about a nightmare of a job. The oil filter housing had to come off. The AC compressor,
oil cooler.
oil cooler, just a bunch of unnecessary bolts in the way. It's off. We're attempting to get the intake off now. In here, you can see somewhere there. Yep. Timing marks. We're going to get all of them lined up. 2 go on the gears, and then the single one's on the sprocket, crankshaft. Sprocket. We had to unbolt the booster from the inside to get the valve cover off on this side.
Another
So
RTV section.
Rip something?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
chunks
at
of
that meeting.
RTV. Yeah, we're gonna have to hit all that with a cookie. I call them cookies. The little
Cut out or grind wheels.
yeah, little cleaners. Get all that cleaned up. Make sure we stuff some rags in the oil pan. We don't get stuff down in there. Yep, that's your update. What do you think about working on Fords?
Make sure you guys stick to GMs. This is not worth it.
That's coming from the kid that owns this car.
Yep. I'll never do this again.
2 weeks from now, head gaskets again.
2 weeks from now, if it needs head gaskets, it's
You'll
going
see
in
it
the lake.
Marketplace.
Shelby GT500 runs great.
You hear that, insurance?
What insurance?
We call this the seahorse.
Sea snake.
Sea serpent.
So what's preventing us from getting the intake off?
90% sure.
90%?
Yeah. We're not 100% over here. I bought a Ford.
100% retard. Can you? I don't know if you can say retard on
Nope, it's gonna be a quack.
on YouTube.
Nope, that's gonna be a quack.
Lights over here.
Lights over here. Wires are in the way. Everything's in the way.
Is it this hose?
Pull on it.
Well, it's like solid up here.
Oh.
But it's wrapping under the EGR.
I would think so. I felt some movement, but at the same time, that whole thing is free.
Why don't you get me?
Got some needle nose?
Yeah. I wanna sit. There's nowhere to climb inside the car here. And make sure you don't knock anything in the oil pan as I'm standing on it.
What oil pan?
Oh, I got a shock tower in my...
Quack.
You know, people are going to be really concerned with all the quack comments when there's no quack.
We're gonna have to have a quack.
I got a shock tower in my quack.
A fucking shock tower in my quack.
I got a quack in my quack.
I got a quack and shock tower in my quack.
What's the number one used word while working on a Shelby? Quack.
I feel like I'm on quack.
If I was on quack, I'd probably
Whoever
be better
owns
at
this
this.
car's on quack. Because any of the right person would have never bought it.
They don't
Right
fit
there.
in there neither.
Right there. That is on quack.
Only used to be.
Oh god.
Injector wires over here, visiting the shock tower.
It's not the first time.
Why is there a Jolly Rancher down there?
You see.
We took the timing cover off, and they got so excited they jumped for joy. I have a video from whenever I first tore this apart, and I was trying to quick disconnect, like use one of the quick disconnects, and I messaged one of my buddies, and I was like, "How in the quack do you use one of these things?"
How in the quack? You ain't gotta say quack. I have a quack. I edited into it.
It's funnier though.
How in the quack?
It saves you all the time from adding all the quacks.
Yeah.
Quack.
Quack it. But I was like,
I'm gonna have to use a quack for this. So now
You have to call this the Quacked Up Special.
this is a quack Shelby.
Quack Show. That's what this car's name
Well,
is.
but my original plan for like the curse word sensor was to just use an air impact. But I've never recorded the sound of one yet. Well, I mean I did now, but that's what I was gonna use, but now I have to use the quack.
We gotta just I was gonna say either quacks or we gotta get the sound of something hitting the ground. Ding ding ding.
I need those.
One of those pulleys. We'll drop one of them. Start off with that crank pulley down there. That's probably the most expensive one.
Believe it or not, it is this one right here.
No. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Them ones down there are quite expensive.
Oh, my kneecaps.
So are VMP parts though.
Have you priced one of those?
The crank pulley?
Oh.
They're like $200.
Excuse me.
Why in the...
It was my hand on the firewall.
Excuse me.
Give me. I need a 13 millimeter quarter on that flexi head ratchet.
Okay.
It was my hand on the firewall.
Oh, yeah, I'm like, what the? Quack. I'm like, what?
See that flock of geese fly over?
I swear there's a mouse on a Harley doing wrong by over there.
Where'd the bolt go?
It's running.
No, it ain't.
He had to get one of those, he said, for it was a 2013 or 14 ZL1. And it cost him over $1,900.
It's probably with an overdrive.
It was a 10 rib just like that.
If I went with a overdrive pulley, which would increase boost, but really it's
Don't you work at a machine shop?
probable. Yeah.
Just make one.
No. Overdrive pulleys are really, really bad for your motor.
No. They're really good. Makes you get new ones.
You know what's really bad for your motor? 22-year-olds.
19.
Actually, yeah, I was going to say, 19-year-old Cam did this. 22-year-old Cam?
He's going to do this even better. There'll be a hole in the side of the block.
No. This is going to slowly turn into a Camaro.
This was supposed to be a Camaro.
You've been hearing that for 10 years.
So was my 5.0.
Right. Sending me all these 2015 Z28s. I want one of those.
Buys a Mustang.
Shows up in a Shelby GT500.
Kid's raised on Camaros and Chevelles and comes back with a Mustang.
I was told to be rebellious.
Jesus, we quacked up.
We quacked up good.
This bolt's 18 miles long. He sounds like Pac-Man.
I think my wheel's bent.
One too many curbs.
Actually, I have the curbing on the back wheels are from a trailer.
Uh-huh. Talks like a duck, walks like a duck. Must be a woman. What else is holding it? Must be. Ow, my knee. What's that? What is that? A 10? An 8? Why is there two different bolts?
You want wrenches?
Yeah, that one's probably a wrencher. I think my knee's locking up.
Wonder why.
It hurts. I should buy one of those soft
Grab
pads.
that
Here's an 8.
that grease rag right
I think
there.
the 10's under.
At least.
Yeah, the 10's under the car.
No, we cry in this shop. Ow.
Quack.
It's like, no, we cry in this shop.
It's an 8mm. It shouldn't be that tight.
It's got red Loctite on.
Well, it's got red something on it now. Blood.
No, that's the power steering fluid, man. It's getting everywhere.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I almost lost it. Lost it? Caught it. Smash! Just the whole window goes out. It's still acting like it's bolted to something.
Probably got another bolt under it.
Yeah.
It's still this rubber line back here.
I know. I'm bolting the coolant lines from the back of the motor, hoping that would do it. But can you? I want you up there, so I have room to improve. I'm just gonna tiptoe through.
Quack.
Give me. There's a pair of what are them things called? The adjustable hammer. Yeah,
It's a crescent wrench.
that thing. Maybe not. I just want something I can. Ah, my pinky! It stings. Quack. I didn't swear. Let me get this thing out of my way. I'm tired of this being here.
We should not put it back.
Precious. Oh, that one hurt. Can you get it?
Yeah. My hand's just... Why is that a perfect 90 on that head, dude?
It was a 75 till it got bent. Now it's a 90.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
Oh, it didn't hurt.
No.
Not like mine did.
What
Did you
was
drop
that?
the wrench? Fairly certain I just watched him drop the wrench.
Whatever that was just went down there too.
Nope, it's right here. I was just making sure you were listening, right?
Listening, I'm watching.
It was all the fun on the front of the motor. Now it's fun on the back of the motor.
I'm getting like
Quarter.
not
Left turn.
I'm getting a cut hair turn. That's
Oh,
all
what
I'm
hair?
getting. Quack hair.
What kind of hair?
Quacking.
Cat hair.
We still got to set the timing. Well, just get to the marks.
So about the timing. It's going to be timing tomorrow.
Dude, this is not it. I need to grab an 8.
I'm sitting in the motor. So at what point did we just pull this out and put that 6.0 in it?
Should have done that earlier.
When it blows up again.
Can't see. Where is our... It's almost off. It's almost off. There it goes.
Watch out the wheel and everything. All over him.
Oonga doonga. Sweet, sweet victory. Yeah.
So it looks like I had a swirly friend.
You think?
Hey, these heads aren't matching numbers.
No, there's a left and a right.
Well, yeah. This one's got a VIN for 00060, and this one's got a VIN for 829000100.
It's a weird gear. Gear's weird.
Oh, yeah, it is.
All right, so we need to get these lined up with that mark. Same with these ones need to go there. And then this single one needs to be lined up with this notch. Same with that single one. So we need to...
Before we try turning it over, should be a neutral. If not, it's about to start walking towards us.
Where's crank bolt? There it is. And all of its silicone glory. Sounds like you need brakes.
Just let me get like a couple thousand miles.
I should probably check into that. Is the lifters are like, wait a minute, we're turning. Why are we turning? We haven't turned in over a year. Or that sounded like one was loose.
Got compression.
Not a lot. Did you hear that one? That one sounds crunchy. There's the compression. Must have been the first. No. Where we at? We're almost there.
Right there.
Yeah, but they need to be, remember? And down here, we get rid of this. There should be a notch in the crank gear, and we should be on the colored tooth. I can't see it, of course, but
Yep. I don't know about the notch, but I see the colored.
You said it.
Yeah, more than a notch.
Yep. And the colored
Is it
thing.
centered?
Let me see. Yeah.
That would hurt. You had your fingers right there. All right. So we get the tensioner loose, compress the tensioner. It's going to be spring. We're going to have to stick something in there. I might have one. This has been an ordeal today.
More than an ordeal.
There we go. All right.
More than ordeal and not ideal.
I got it. Holy cow. Ugh, where am I going? This way. Oh, there's drinks in my way. Those are baby little valves. That's cute.
Look at the size of the piston.
I don't know.
I don't think this side was bad.
What would you
Oh
do?
yeah. No, it's gone right there.
What would you do if you went through all this and it wasn't a head gasket?
Head gasket still needs done. Heads are coming off.
Gee, you know, that sounds familiar.
Yeah.
Almost like when I tore my entire Duramax apart thinking it was head gaskets, and here it was just some stupid
Little
$10 gasket on the back of the block.
Probably blow it out.
Yeah.
Oh.
The cylinder walls don't look too bad.
Sucks. All the resin. Nice to see the crash catch in it. I cannot get over how small the pistons are.
I can't get over how they're burning. Like this one's got, it's more even than that.
I was hoping the water would splash up, but instead all it did was get my hand wet at the floor. There's a mess down there. You're gonna get out from under all of that. The EGR is gonna snag you. Hold up. Hold up. We got a bolt. Let's put it down.
Yeah.
I can't see the bolt. But, oh, something stank. Where's the fluff? Whew!
That was right into the mic. I know it sounded like the gnome.
Where's this bolt y'all speaking of?
I don't see it. It just seems like the hoses are stuck to it, I think.
It's under the EGR.
No, it's off. See?
I'm gonna pull that harness. Gross, yes.
Oh, it didn't get any lighter. Well, many hours of frustration, many busted knuckles and
Showers and coolant.
bleeding fingers. We finally got the heads off. Now begins the process of cleaning them up and getting everything reassembled. But you will have to wait until the next episode for that one. I appreciate you for tuning in. If you can do me a favor and like, comment, subscribe, it'll help Cameron out a lot in getting his car back on the road. And it keeps me motivated in doing what I'm doing. Don't forget, talking about your projects won't finish them. Thanks for joining.